today's a really bad day. It's raining, but we need to wear jackets. Today I received my new delivery, but it's a bad day. It's a rainy day. But this is my house. But this is a big package.
Do you know what you received today?
I don't know, but last
Is it a
time,
surprise?
yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know. Somebody ordered me for my.
Who ordered? Maybe
I think
maybe
my dad.
the dad. The dad
Yeah.
loves you?
Yeah, but today he went to work, but he was so late. He needs to make a lot of money. Okay, the guys, let's see why we receiving the package, but so heavy. Look.
Okay, so let's go inside and let's take a look what you received, right?
All right, let me hold it.
Let me help you. Let me help you. It's easy.
So you're really strong and really strong.
You're strong too. I think you have muscles, eh? Do you do some exercise sometimes or no?
Now I forgot. Of course, everyone, I does do exercise a long time for really 1,000 times.
So you mean you're strong with your muscles? Can you show me your muscles?
Yeah, I was being baby.
Okay, so let's go inside and let's take a look.
Guys, let's open the box and see what's inside. Daddy, can you open the box for me?
No problem. Are you ready? What do you think? What do you have?
I don't know, but
Imagine.
but I don't know what
Just
it
guess.
is. I think it's other thing. I think it's
That's
an.
over. That's over.
I think it's a toy.
You think it's a toys?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a big toys, eh?
Oh
If
yeah.
it's a toys, it's going to get big toys.
If it's a rocket, it's my favorite. If it's a drum, it's going to be good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's my drum! Woohoo! Oh yeah! 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 It's my drum! What? Oh, be careful! Where's the instruction? Let me see this. Ooh, shit. Is this the dam? I think this is the chair.
Correct. You got it, buddy.
It's the chair and this is the spa.
So many stuff in here, man.
Yeah, but where's the instruction?
Where's distraction? You look for distraction?
Yeah, so we can know how does it look like. Is this drumsticks?
This is drumstick, correct.
This is Neil. Where's the instruction?
We'll find it.
I think there's something under. Ta-da. Here's the instruction.
Did you get it?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, put the box down here.
Here you go.
Okay, you can say bye to your friends. And then, once we set everything, then we do a restart, right?
Yeah. Bye, guys.